Hello there, I'm Jemma Jackson from the Association of Investment Companies. Earlier today, I was joined by Rosemary Banyard, Manager of the Schroder UK Mid Cap Investment Trust.
Well, everybody hears on the TV a lot about the government deficit, that we're living beyond our means. The problem that the government has is that it doesn't have shareholders. So it can raise debt, but it cannot raise equity. The reason that UK quoted companies are in a strong position is that if they get into trouble, they can go to their shareholders and ask for more money. And some of them did that after the financial crisis. So they're all in good shape. Well, we live in a world now where we all go on the internet the whole time to compare prices, where companies have to post their prices and we can check them all out instantaneously and very easily. We're also in a world where there's a lot of global competition. And in many industries, this is meaning that selling prices tend to go down rather than up. So if you can find a company to invest in that has a special position, maybe it's got a unique product or service or a local service where you don't have lots of alternatives to go to, they can raise their prices, and that's a really valuable thing. Well, we're seeing a lot of bid activity in the mid-cap area of the London market at the moment. So far this year, we've had 4 bids already, and they've all come from overseas trade buyers, not private equity. The buyers have been in America, in Spain, and in Japan. And obviously, if we're owning those companies, we get the bid premium, which is very nice. But for the companies that we own that are just doing day-to-day deals, we'd prefer to see them doing moderate, small bolt-on deals because that is less risky. So the sort of deal that we like is, for example, AG Bar, who own the Iron Brew soft drink and Rubicon fruit juice brands. And a Bar have recently bought a private business based in North London, which takes them into ready-made cocktail drinks. And so they can put these products into supermarkets and into pubs because they've got distribution to do that. That's exactly the kind of deal that we like to see our investments making. Well, the Schroder UK Mid Cap Fund came into our management about 12 years ago. We have about 60 holdings, and as the name suggests, we invest in medium-sized companies quoted in London. We like to go for companies that are financially strong. So nearly half of our investments have no net debt at all. We prefer to have companies that can grow organically. One way that you can judge us is by the growth in dividends over time. Over the last 7 years, the dividend payout from the trust has doubled. And in addition, over that time, the reserves, that's the money that we've kept back, have also doubled. So the trust is financially very strong. And we do take a reasonable view. So our average holding period is 4 to 5 years.
Rosemary, thanks very much indeed. The UK oil company sector is one of the largest investment company sectors, but it also houses a good deal of diversity. So there's lots to choose from. Our website is a really good place to start when you're doing your homework. Thanks very much indeed.